So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Scotch Porter Beard Kit. So included, you get a beard wash, a beard conditioner, a beard balm, the beard serum. But included as well, you also get a nice big bottle of the conditioner as well. So if you end up going through quite a bit, you've got a good lot to start you off. So let's get started. So the first one you want to go with is the beard wash. So each one gives you the rundown on how to use it. Beard wash, apply a dollop to a wet beard, gently massage it in, rinse well with warm water. Don't stop until the suds left your face. Best result, follow with our beard conditioner. Gives you a bit of a roadmap on what order to use each one in. Whoa, so let me get sudded up and we'll see how it looks. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells like the barbers. Looks like I'm having a shave, doesn't it? Cool, right, let me rinse this off. Beard wash feels nice and clean as you'd expect. And then we have to follow it up with this, the conditioner. So this one's a leave-in conditioner. So it says with a damp beard, kind of looks like a lotion more than a conditioner. I'm going to look old after this, making my beard look like grey. I guess that's just while it's absorbing, isn't it? Because the main reason I wanted to give this one a try is I get really dry skin under my beard, which is dead annoying. So hopefully this kit is something to combat that. Again, smells super nice. After the conditioner, it tells you to follow up with the beard serum. So intense smoothing and shine, seals in moisture all day for dry, dull or coarse beards. It has made my beard feel really nice and smooth though, I'm not gonna lie. Because I have quite like thick hair, so my beard does get quite like coarse and a bit like sort of scratchy. But this has softened it right up. I think this is gonna become part of my like daily, you know? Keep it in the shower, just get through the kit, done and dusted. Right. And then I believe finally is the balm. Massage a small amount into a damp beard and keep it growing thick and soft. Get it nice and evenly distributed and away we go. Ooh, this is the best smelling one of the bunch. They're all like scents. The scents complement each other. So it's not like you're like applying one thing with one scent with another. They all sort of like meld into one nice sort of fragrance, which is nice. Big fan of this. Probably gonna start doing this as my daily routine. Good stuff, so yeah. Scotch Porter Beard Kit. If you've got a dry beard, give it a go. See what you think. See what your results are. I'm really impressed by this. I can't stop stroking my beard. Yeah, Scotch Porter Beard Kit. Absolute top tier.